What's up guys, Smart Caterpie here, and welcome to another episode of TASG. We're taking the day off from the Super Disney Ride Showdown today, because we got these in the mail. Galaxy Buds Live. Or what I call the Galaxy Bean, or what I sent to Matterhorn Matt, Galaxy Bean. These are bean-shaped wireless headphones from Samsung, and they are technically the third generation Galaxy Buds. You have the original Galaxy Buds that came out with the Galaxy S10. Then you have the Galaxy Buds Plus that came out this year with the S20. And now you have the Buds Live. Now there's something special about the Buds Live is that these are active noise canceling in a design that's pretty unique, to say the least. Let's go ahead and get this one open. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And, ooh, that's very light. And that's smaller than I thought. I keep seeing it on YouTube. And here they are. So basically, you're going into your local Zales just to get Will You Marry Me? Here they are. These are the Galaxy Buds Live. Alright, so I got my Note 10 Plus right here. Soon to upgrade to a Note 20. It has a it's larger, but it feels like I'm opening up a set of earrings. This is a black version. I ordered the Mystic Bronze version when I pre-ordered the Note 20. That was just alright. So let's see what happens here. And just like that, it's already popping up. Galaxy Buds Live. New devices we can connect detected. Let's go ahead and connect. Now here's the thing. From what I've been seeing from early reviews from Pocket Now and many other content creators, it's that the active noise cancellation is not going to happen if you have one headphone in. So you need to have both in. And let's see if that's true. How to wear your earbuds, because this is very interesting. It is labeled, so basically the thick end is going to be where the thing fits. So this is my first time putting these on. I'm nervous. Like this? Oh, that's so weird. Okay. Like this? Oh, that's strange. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. And I don't know yet if I like it, because this is just the first time I'm putting it on. It barely fits. I feel like I'm gonna have to go for a run to downtown Disney. I can still hear myself think. I can still hear things. All right, so 62% on the Buds. I can still use it right now. I usually set my equalizer to dynamic, and touch the controls. Now, touch controls are very interesting because the Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus, they are supposed to be like a tight seal, aka you can't hear anything around you. These are open seal. They don't go in all the way. They just stay at just like outside the inside of your ear. And so I can hear myself talk. I can hear the AC go on in the background. And so the touch controls I usually have is that on Galaxy Buds and the Buds Plus specifically, there is a two-way microphone, aka ambient noise. And so this one, you can actually have a conversation with a friend and you can completely hear it. But then you go into the settings and then you tap and hold it, that becomes active noise canceling. So you listen to a friend talk, and all of a sudden, they're still rambling on. They're becoming an Adrian Monk, and so you're gonna want to hold it down. Ooh, oh, that's interesting. So there's a bring or something, and now I can just hear myself. Oh, that's weird. This is so weird. Some things I could still hear. That's so weird. I've never had active noise canceling. This is a weird sensation. That's strange. Now, this is just testing the Galaxy Buds live in an indoor environment, like a private environment. But what if you're outside in a very crowded, and shouldn't really be crowded, noisy environment? So that's why let's head out to downtown Disney right now and test the active noise canceling on these Galaxy Buds lives. Alright, so I've made it here to downtown Disney, walking through the parking lot right now. And if there's one thing that's been very annoying with Galaxy Buds, and specifically the Galaxy Buds Plus, is that when you're wearing a mask, the little tail fin on the edge can be a little bit intrusive because it's like a shark fin type deal. For this one, it's rounded. So when it's rounded like this, you know, it's not going to feel uncomfortable. And surprisingly, I walk at a brisk pace, so when I'm walking, I'm bopping my head to Magic Happens right now. First of all, I can't hear anything around me. So that's the active noise cancellation at work for you. And so anyways, it's very comfortable when you're wearing a mask. So I'm really digging these headphones. Now, this is just in the parking lot. It's pretty quiet here. There's not a lot of people. But if we go over to the World of Disney Starbucks area, let's get some coffee, shall we? Okay, so I thought it was going to be much busier, but I remembered it's a Monday and coronavirus cases did go up in the county, so I shouldn't really be here. But anyways, I got my Starbucks, and if you saw the last time I was out here, I was holding on to the Starbucks, but I didn't drink it unless it was off screen. I'm gonna sneak a sip right here. See, there you go. I actually ate it. So the Galaxy Buds Live again looks like I'm proposing, but I'm just revealing the buds. They're very comfortable with a mask on because you're not gonna have an annoying fin poking into your ear, and that's what's causing the brunt of the uncomfortability for the regular Buds and Buds Plus for me. Unless you don't have the fins, because you can have the choice of putting on the fins. Oh, let me tell you about the bass though. I have the Paint the Night soundtrack on now, and it's just boom, 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 boom. Welcome to the rhythm of the night. Bass is amazing. It's just punchy, and it's very loud, and it's very clear, and best of all, because the speakers don't go all the way into your earlobe or into your ear, it's not going to get clogged up with all that wax. At least not a lot. You know, it's going to be at a point where like a little bit's going to be surrounding it, but it's not going to go into it, like into the ear or into the speaker. So it's a very nice design. The active noise cancellation is what gets to me. I'm very confused if it's on or not. So like right now I have it at a point where I can hear myself think, not through like speakerphone type, and I hold it down. So that is active noise cancellation, because okay, so it's much easier to hear it here at downtown Disney or like in a louder area than it is to see it or to hear it in the garage. Like, because you have all the ambient sound, you have all the ambient conversations going on around you, 6 feet apart, socially distanced, of course, with a mask on. And so now, so it's off right now, and I hold on, and the ANC is on. And the ANC so far, aside from hearing the fountain that's off in the background, it's very clear, and I can just hear myself think. I can hear myself, yeah, I can hear myself talk out loud, think out loud, and I really enjoy it. I really do. Let's take another sip of this coffee. So overall, my first impressions of the Galaxy Buds Live is that they are the Galaxy Buds to get. 10 out of 10, you can get it for $170 plus tax on Samsung.com. It's about to go live on Best Buy. If you pre-order the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or Note 20 itself, you can get $150 off of merchandise.
I can still barely hear the music. It's like an echo, like a far off echo. But you know that it's the Monster Sing thing. I'm Mark Catape. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe for more.